and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on testing for vitamin C. In our last lesson, we looked at two tests that can be used to detect the presence of lipids in substances. The tests are called the grease spot test and the emulsion test. In addition to this, we also briefly studied the structure and function of lipids. Today, we will learn about a test that indicates the presence of vitamin C. We will begin by discussing the functions of vitamin C and why it is an important nutrient for the human body. Let us begin the lesson with an activity. Students, please list as many sources of vitamin C as you can.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, everyone. I am sure you were able to name quite a few sources of vitamin C. Citrus fruit, such as oranges, lemons, and limes, are excellent sources of vitamin C, as are dark green vegetables, such as kale or broccoli. There are actually many sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient for humans as well as certain animals. It is an ascorbic acid, which means it is a water-soluble organic acid. Ascorbate acid is an antioxidant. An antioxidant is a molecule that is capable of inhibiting the oxidation of other molecules. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that transfers electrons from a substance to an oxidizing agent. Oxidation reactions can produce free radicals, which are atoms or molecules that can start chain reactions. When the chain reaction occurs in a cell, it can have damaging effects. Ascorbate acid is also present in certain enzymatic reactions, including reactions that form collagen. Reactions like this are important for healing wounds and preventing capillaries from bleeding. Lack of vitamin C can cause scurvy. Scurvy was once a very severe ailment for sailors. They traveled the world by ships and did not have easy access to fresh fruits and vegetables. Vitamin C is necessary for the formation of connective tissue, so without it, the body is weak. Scurvy leads to the formation of pale, spotty skin and spongy gums. Those that are afflicted start to bleed from the body orifices, like the nose, mouth, and ears. It also leads to depression and partial immobilization. Once the benefits of vitamin C were discovered, people began taking citrus fruit and green vegetables with them on their voyages, and scurvy became a thing of the past. Students, let us do an activity to review what we have just learned. For each question, please choose the best answer.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Glad to have you back, students. I am sure that was a simple activity for you. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. An antioxidant is a molecule that is capable of reducing the oxidation of other molecules. Ascorbate acid is a water-soluble organic acid. Great work, everyone. There is a simple way to determine if a substance contains vitamin C using a DCPIP reagent. DCPIP is a blue chemical compound called dichlorophenolindophenol. To carry out this test, a small amount of DCPIP reagent is added to a clean test tube. Then, using a dropper, the substance that is tested is added drop by drop into the test tube. If the substance contains vitamin C, a gradual fading of color will occur. This is because vitamin C has a reducing action on the DCPIP reagent, which makes it lose its color. This test can be used to analyze various foods for vitamin C. Here are some suggestions for foods to try. Different fruit and vegetable juices, milk, extracts of fresh fruits, extracts from a piece of meat, or extracts from pine needles. Vitamin C and other nutrients like starch or glucose will combine chemically with the reagent. But the way in which the reagent combines with vitamin C will produce a substance with no color. So, if one of the items that is tested has a high concentration of vitamin C, the colorless product forms and blue color disappears. If you tested a sample of orange juice and a sample of milk, what would each solution look like?
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. If you said that the solution with the orange juice sample would be clearer and the solution with the milk sample would be blue, then you are correct. Great job. We have reached the end of our lesson. We learned about a test that is used to determine the presence of vitamin C in a substance. We also discussed the importance of vitamin C for the human body. Until next time, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.